And if you are a first-time guest, please type 1 po para naman po mamaya pwede po kayong ma-welcome ni Coach Noemi kasi we appreciate your time and we'll try to really make it worthwhile po. So, ang atin pong topic this morning ay the perfect plant protein, that is soy. Ang resource po natin dito ay myherbalife.com, Specialized Nutrition, the perfect plant protein soy. Ayan po yung topic niya. And this is from Dr. David Heber. All right. So bago po ako pumunta sa topic, mabilis lamang. Kung kanina pa po kayo nandito, you've heard a lot of transformation stories already. Ako rin po meron. Lori Rivas, I'm a 3 times cesarean section mama, breastfeeding kay Bunso when I started using Herbalife. And ang background ko po, I started working at an early age of 18, working student, payat-puyat sakitin, mababa ang battery health. I don't understand supplementation, wala namang nag-share sa akin ng nutrition. Tapos alam ko, marunong akong kumain ng prutas at gulay. Marunong akong mag-exercise, physically active ako with dancing and volleyball. Pero hindi nag-translate sa battery health kasi may yearly confinement din ako. Sanay akong tumatambay sa clinic ng office at sanay din akong pumupunta sa mga satellite clinics gamit ang HMO ko. Fast forward, Herbalife became my solution for that weight loss initially. Kasi imagine with the mababa na battery health, may weight gain ka pa. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako lulugar before. I also have spine issues. So, I have lost more than 30 amazing pounds, including more than 10% ng body fats. There's a learning community po talaga. Had it not happened na hindi ko po inalaw yung sarili ko to learn and unlearn many things, I'm not sure if ganito po yung road na nilalakaran namin as a family, that we are on a mission to healthier, happier, fitter family together, just like yung mga brand ambassadors natin. And lapagan daw ng edad, no? Konting birthday na lamang, 40s na, pero who will not be excited dun sa part na yon kung ito yung ginagawa natin. Ang aking favorite products ay maliban sa aloe tea shake, vitamins and minerals, NRG, cell complex. Tanungin nyo kay coach kung ano yung cell complex na yan. And at the same time po, yung ating Herbalife line. Yan. So anyway, there's so much growth that I have experienced since I started. Naging tip of the iceberg na lang po yung more than 30 pounds na hindi na po bumabalik-balik ba. If you want something that's sustainable and something that you can keep, learning is something that you can keep, and your results po will follow talaga. That is why I love Herbalife. So continuing with our topic, the perfect plant protein, soy. So mabilis lamang po, soy is a popular legume in the Asian origin, and soy is high in plant protein and people can consume it in variety of ways. People who know vegetarian or vegan diet often use soy to replace meat. Soybeans are helpful and rich in protein, giving them numerous nutritional uses. People can eat them, drink them in milk alternatives, and take them in the form of supplements. So gusto ko lamang pong malaman ako dati kasi ang kilala ko lang na soy tokwa. Ayan, sino po dito mahilig din ever since sa tokwa or sa soy? Type 1 naman po kayo dyan. Pag-usapan natin kung bakit pala best choice pala siya or perfect choice pala siya in the first place. So, ayan. So, sabi din ni Dr. David Heber, by the way, this article is according to Dr. David Heber. Sabi niya po dun sa article, I think that we can all agree that one of the best ways to live a healthy life is maintaining a healthy diet. A healthy life is maintaining a healthy diet and exercising regularly, which you have heard in the 7 pillars of good health. As a medical doctor, according to Dr. Heber, who in his early career chose to focus on understanding nutrition's impact on our bodies, proponent po daw siya sa balanced diet that includes healthy plant-based soy, especially po the soy protein. And according to him as well, obesity daw po is linked to many potentially lethal na kamamatay na health conditions including heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. So sino po? Further about Dr. David Heber, just to build up our source for this topic, siya po ay founding director ng UCLA Center for Human Nutrition, and he has spent decades researching the impact of plant-based proteins, such as soy, and on patients versus meat-based protein diet na ini-introduce po sa mga pasyente, and substituting soy protein and other plant proteins for high-fat animal protein sources. So yan po yan. Ang sinasabi din po dito na with the advancement daw po sa pagre-research tungkol sa how perfect soy is, hindi naman, ni-remind niya rin po tayo, although changing one's diet is not a substitute for medical advice or treatment for these conditions, yung mga na-mention po natin, we still need to seek medical support and attention for it. But reducing extra calories, saturated fat, and cholesterol from meats and substituting soy protein in shakes and food can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight, which can also support healthy immune system. Actually, doon pa lang sa sinabi ni Dr. David Eber na yun, pwedeng tapos na yung presentation kasi in-explain na niya how it is really important that there is healthy diet, balanced diet, exercise, and also taking note regularly that if there is a need for like a medical attention for what you are experiencing, mag-go forward pa rin po tayo doon. But it really starts with a baseline na healthy diet, balanced nutrition, and exercise. So plant-based protein po daw si soy. Ayan. So sabi po ni Dr. David Heber, the truth is, not all plant-based proteins are created equal. Unlike the other plant-based proteins, soy is the only one that is considered a complete protein. Bakit? Sabi po dito, soy has 68 grams of protein per cup, is high-quality protein. Sometimes it's even called the perfect food. It contains fiber, calcium, iron, omega-3s, and other essential vitamins and minerals. So it's a great addition to a balanced diet. Next po natin dyan, it can be consumed as a bean itself in edamame, soy nuts, tempeh, and also enjoy the benefits of soy from tofu, miso, soy milk, and soy milk products like the yogurt and the cheese. Ayan. Ano pang meron dito? Soy also contains all 21 amino acids, including the 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot make. The essential amino acids can come from the foods that we eat. Additionally po, it contains phytonutrients called the soy isoflavones, which act as antioxidants. Ayan, madalas po nating naririnig yung term na antioxidants. In fact, maraming mga supplement na mina-market na antioxidants, antioxidants, antioxidants. Imagine this is also with soy. So if you're thinking of protein na soy, also take note that it has phytonutrients which act as antioxidants, and they feed healthy gut bacteria, making them prebiotics. Actually, na nabasa ko to, hindi ko pa siya na-encounter before as the term prebiotics, but it's a very good knowledge for me that I can share as well. That yung soy po natin can also be a source of prebiotics. Ano po yung prebiotics? It's the food for the good bacteria na nasa tiyan po natin, nasa gut po natin, na pwede pong magpaganda ng environment natin sa ating gut, which is very, very important in boosting our immune system. Ayan. Ano pa po yung benefits ng soy? May also benefit the heart, and diets incorporating soy have been associated as well with reduced blood sugar, menopause symptoms, and possibly even a decreased risk of some cancers. So may mga medical studies din po, researches po, na patuloy pa naman po nilang ginagawa so that they can correlate more yung benefits ng soy dyan sa mga na-mention na yan. And mention ko lang po mabilis yung isoflavones kasi kanina narinig natin siya. So yung isoflavones po ay plant-based protein po siya, phytonutrients. Wait lang po. Ayan, isoflavone. Siyempre, isoflavone are plant-based compounds primarily found in the soybeans. Nagmimimic daw po siya ng action ng hormone estrogen. Actually, take note po natin yung hormone estrogen kasi nagba-backfire po yan in a bit regarding sa soy. Kaya parang kinakatakutan naman po siya ng iba. But later on, um, share po natin na madedebunk naman daw po sa medical field din, sa science, yung um, kinakatakutan ng iba regarding the estrogen. So, foods rich in isoflavones, sige, balik ko mabilis. Ayan. Isoflavones possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which can help prevent cell damage. Some studies suggest that isoflavone supplements may alleviate menopausal symptoms and prevent osteoporosis in postmenopausal people. Additionally, there is some evidence that isoflavone supplements could aid in preventing heart disease and certain cancers. However, as mentioned po kanina, more research is needed to confirm their effectiveness. So nag-umpisa na po yung correlation or appreciation of isoflavone soy generally tungkol dun sa areas of mga nabanggit na mga health concerns, but they still need more of the studies kumbaga para mas mapagtibay. Ayan. Pero as mentioned kanina, may mga natatakot gamitin si soy kasi feeling nila magkakaman boobs daw, feeling nila makaka-trigger daw ng ganito, ganyan. So despite the health benefits of the soy, why are some people taking soy in the negative light? Kasi meron naman siyang nutritional benefits, meron naman siyang health benefits. Kasi nga po in the past, it was linked to breast cancer. Scientific research has debunked, ayan, um, kinontra, kumbaga, debunk this premise that there is no evidence linking soy consumption to breast cancer. And research has also negated, kinontra yung myth na yung soy consumption could cause enlarged breasts in men. So if you know someone whom you think really needs a healthy active lifestyle or a lifestyle improvement plus nutrition support, and you strongly believe that Herbalife, having had experienced the power of it, tapos pero back and forth or urong-sulong yung tao na yun or say lalaki na yun kasi magkakamaan bubusaw and everything, you can also share either the direct link of this or this learning topic to educate and raise awareness, and hopefully that person will say yes para sa mission Healthier, Happier, Fitter Self this 2025. Ayan. Sige, tuloy tayo. And study also showed that soy has no significant effects on men, including any impact on total testosterone levels. So, syempre, importante sa mga kalalakihan yung testosterone levels. So, pwede niyong screenshot na wala po daw significant effects, hindi kailangan katakutan ang soy in terms of as an intake for the men. So ito po naman yung ating sources of soy, the edamame, whole soybeans, tofu, ayan, and the tempeh and other sources like miso, soy milk, and soy nuts. And of course, our Formula 1 nutritional shake mix. So pakita lang natin tong PDCAS na ito. Ayan. So this is PDCAS or Protein Digestibility Corrected Amino Acid Score. I must mention this, as you can see, there's soy protein isolate mentioned there. Yung soy protein isolate na yan, ang topic natin, soy, bilang perfect plant-based protein. Yung pinakita natin kanina is the Herbalife Formula 1 Nutritional Shake Mix, which has this soy protein isolate. Yung 1 dito is the highest score that you can ever get in this PDCAS. Yung absorption ng protein din, ng absorption ng body din natin with the protein. So as you can see po, may iba lower than 1. Kaya rin po matatawag si soy as a complete protein. So ano po yung kinalaman niyan dito sa topic natin? Ayan, PDCAS, soy, F1 shake. Our shake, if you were here earlier sa Value of Healthy Breakfast po, you have heard the benefits. And as mentioned po, the shake has soy protein isolate. And what is PDCAS? PDCAAS is the world standard for evaluating the quality of protein from different food sources, and the highest possible score is 1. So, quick lang. Anong score ng soy protein isolate? 1. Alright. Ano pa? Our Formula 1 nutritional shake mix is the #1 brand in the world in meal replacement shakes, providing us with an easy-to-prepare, healthy, balanced meal. And many of our Herbalife products as well use soy, which is sustainable and produces more protein per acre using significantly fewer environmental resources than other forms of protein. So ito naman po, sinasabi naman po niya yung environmental resources. For example, kasi po si soy ay plant-based. For example, ang protein na pag-uusapan ay yung beef. Yan. So re-result po siya sa pag-use ng water pa, pagpatay ng mga kakailanganing pangkarne ng beef. So yun po yung sinasabi or may kinalaman dun sa environmental resources, pero hindi ko na po i-elaborate pa. Ayan, so soy protein is heart healthy. As part of a diet low in saturated fat and cholesterol, 25 grams of soy protein may reduce the risk of heart diseases. And at the same time po, our Formula 1 nutritional shake mix has 0 grams trans fat and 0 cholesterol. So you're checking off your protein na pwede nyo po ma-absorb. You're checking off your isoflavone, phytonutrients, antioxidants, and you're checking off as well yung imagine diet low in saturated fat and cholesterol, which we all need, even yung mga kids. So with that, we can enjoy our soy without worry. But as always, moderation is the key to any balanced diet. Kaya nga po balance. Technically, walang magiging bawal. But then we have to think or we have to make sensible, informed, and responsible decisions with our diet if we want to achieve or if you want to walk the path yung healthier, happier, fitter selves together with our family. And for the parents like me po, it will always be our responsibility to guard what we eat. So because what we eat, we serve our kids, and what our lifestyle is, magre-reflect lang din po dun sa mga kabataan. Pero may mga chances din naman na pag, for example, tumataas na ang timbang ng isang bata, kumbaga pa in a way, sisisihin siya na mahilig siya sa matamis, mahilig siya sa ganito, mahilig siya sa fast food and everything. But at the end of the day, hindi naman po pagkapanganak ng bata, mahilig sila sa ganun. Na-expose lamang po due to the lifestyle. So, sabi rin po dito, soy can easily fit into our overall nutritional plan. Ayan, so ito po yung F1 shake natin kanina. You've seen this earlier. You can always get in touch with your coach or the person who invited you here for more to get back to this topic, because we will have this in I Must an FB group po. And you may also ask for the recording pag meron na po siya. Ano pa yung i-add ko? Since we are walking or ang path na gusto natin ay healthier, happier, fitter, hindi perfect ang mundo. We want it sometimes that we have this treat meals, hindi cheat day. Sana meal lamang. We don't treat a day na parang buong araw na lang sari-sari yung kakainin natin. But we can also indulge without the guilt. The base of these premium shakes is also the Formula 1 nutritional shake mix, which again is soy protein isolate based. So kung ano yung benefits na narinig nyo po with the F1 or the soy, makukuha nyo rin po sa healthy snack na ito. And let me just play this video po. This is also validating yung why it is very important to also source the raw materials of the products that we're using for certain, for example, the shake. Because at the end of the day po, yun po yung malalaman ng pinaka-end product. So let me just play this video.
Herbalife Nutrition has the power to help people attain their best self. We strive to craft the finest nutrition products on the market with the highest quality ingredients to help our customers achieve their wellness goals. We do this through responsible sourcing, scientific research, and continued commitment to investment in operations, research, and development. Our efforts have paid off. The worldwide demand for our products is enormous. Our Formula One nutritional shake mix is available in a total of 28 flavors across all of our markets. And we offer our customers a wide range of other customizations and options across our product lines. It's a high achievement in product excellence that Herbalife can meet such high demand with such superior quality. To accomplish this, we match the brightest minds in nutrition science with the best ingredients from trusted farmers and world-class suppliers. Our 14-step seed to feed process ensures that our products meet or exceed a variety of industry standards and quality. It starts in the fields where our ingredients come from their natural sources. Soy from American farmlands, aloe from Mexico, and tea from China, and continues all the way to the customer. We have more than 300 staff scientists worldwide, 36 of which are PhDs. And our R&D team and Nutrition Advisory Board are specialists in nutrition, science, and health. Their expertise is essential to the making of new Herbalife products and training Herbalife members on their proper use and benefits. Between 2009 and 2017, we invested over $270 million in our own production facilities, which include over 13 labs worldwide and a global operations staff of almost 2,000 people. These investments in expertise, manufacturing, and technology strengthen our industry-leading quality and operational capabilities, including ISO accreditation for all quality control laboratories and NSF certification for some facilities. But here's the big news. At the end of 2016, we have shown the ability to exceed our goal of making over 60% of Herbalife products in-house and offering more than 1,600 product access points around the world. This means that more Herbalife products than ever are crafted under Herbalife's hands-on approach to quality assurance, and members have more convenient access to products than ever before. As it is, in-house production volume at our Herbalife innovation and manufacturing facilities is staggering. The 800,000 square foot HIM facility in Winston-Salem alone can produce more than 150 million units of powders, tea, and aloe per year. That's more than 600,000 units per day. Across the country, in Lake Forest, California, our HIM facility can produce 140,000 canisters of powder, as well as 100,000 bottles of herbal aloe each day. At HIM Changsha, we can output more than 4 metric tons per day of powdered extracts. And HIM Suzhou can produce 2.4 million bottles a month, or 35 million annually. And Herbalife has added a production facility in Nanjing in 2016 to support China's growth. And will be adding more and more product access points in the future, allowing for even more convenient access to Herbalife products. Members can look forward to an exciting variety of new products in new flavors with more customization to suit everyone's nutritional needs. Watch for the latest as we continue to deliver on our promise to meet the world's growing demand for quality nutrition.
So ayan. So disclaimer po, this is a fairly older video regarding how we make sure that the products or the raw materials being used by Herbalife is really tested. Kumbaga meron akong training sa products na na-attendan before. All of the good stuff nandun and anything that our body may not need or does not need, wala po doon. Kaya papansin nyo, napaka-stringent po, napakahigpit po nung process na pinagdaanan ng raw materials. Kilala po ni Herbalife yung laman na soy ng inyong Formula One nutritional shake mix. And kilala po pa rin niya yon up to the end because what it promises to deliver sa ating body, nandun po. And so as I end, I'm very proud to share with you this topic from Dr. David Heber. Of course, the video from earlier, again, that's a fairly older video. There might be an updated one already because we are #1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management, well-being, active and lifestyle nutrition. And in the Philippines, of course, we have been recognized as a super brand. It assures consumers that we are availing a product that is excellent in its category If you believe by now, by just watching the video that this is an excellent product, please type 2. Ayan. And if you are new to Herbalife, you haven't tried it, and ang iniantay na lang pala ni coach or nag-share sa iyo ay iyong yes, let this day be your yes sa inyong lifestyle improvement with Herbalife support as your nutrition support. So again, this has been Coach Lori. Say yes to good nutrition every single day. Kaming mag-anak po, we are saying yes every single day. And even my kids are also saying yes to the complete healthy breakfast every single morning. So maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. I hope you learned a thing or two today sa ating topic na pwede nyo pong i-apply sa inyong personal health and wellness journey and something that you can also share. So back to you po, Coach Noemi. Thank you po.
Thank you, Glory. Talaga naman punong-puno ng kaalaman yung tinuro sa amin ngayong araw na to. So before we proceed, batiin po natin ulit yung mga kasama natin dito sa Zoom room, especially yung ating first time guest ngayon, si Ma'am Elvira Lima Calio. Welcome to our Virtual Nutrition Club, and tomorrow po, mag-join po ulit kayo at ibalita sa buong barangay. Pwede po nyo silang imbitahan. Yung mga nasa FB Live, again, welcome to the VNC. Tomorrow, join us again. Thank you, Coach Lori. Ang dami naming natutunan talaga. So, pakinggan po natin ulit si Coach Cecil. Meron siyang...
Yeah, thank you, Noims. And thank you also, Sally. And of course, si Lori. Grabe, ang ganda ng mga explanation ni Lori. And maraming salamat din sa ating mga PowerPoint team, sa Spotlight, lahat ng tumulong today, this morning. Thank you, guys, sa shares natin